Don't want some digital contact on a 2D screen. Don't want a heart in a comment section or a private message again. Don't want a photo on my phone or a long distance call. Don't want a typical daydream blush or a nighttime rush if you're not in the picture at all. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. I need a shoulder to lean on. I need to know that you care. I need somebody to hold me close and who won't let go. But you can't if you're not really there. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. Yeah, I can make you feel human. I'll be your only one. More than just an illusion. Be my three-dimensional love. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. Yeah, I can make you feel human. I'll be your only one. More than just an illusion. Be my three-dimensional love.
Do you remember how it happened? Where we were when we first met? I saw you right there on the corner. Don't think we ever could forget. See, the odds are never in our favor. All our chances are always razor thin. To find someone who looks so good on paper, who's even better when you finally let them in. 'Cause we could have been anywhere in the world back then. Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere else. But you were right where you were supposed to be. And I'm so glad it wasn't anyone else. And do you remember what I said when you told me you felt